Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll initiate updates now. First, plug in the Lenovo and prevent sleep so the process won't be interrupted. Make sure you have roughly 20% free disk space. If not, remove large files or run disk cleanup. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security and click Windows Update. Click Check for updates to fetch available patches. You're starting the download. This is the critical first step because missing prerequisites cause failed installs later. You'll manage the actual download and install. Close resource-heavy apps and pause cloud backups so the update can use full bandwidth and RAM. When Windows lists a feature update, choose Download and Install. That separates big upgrades from monthly quality updates and reduces risk. Monitor progress. If a restart is required, schedule it within 7 days or restart immediately. After Windows completes, run Lenovo Vantage to update firmware and drivers. This ensures hardware compatibility and avoids post-update issues. You'll finish by restarting and verifying the system. Sign in, open Settings, and review update history to confirm successful installs. If something failed, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter first. It fixes common issues automatically. For deeper problems, open a command prompt as admin and run sfc/scano to repair system files, then try updates again. If the machine is unstable after a major feature update, use settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.